Let me show you how to make this chicken galantine, special for all kinds of holidays. Right now, it's holiday season. But when we do special food like this, hindi naman kailangan na holiday lagi. Pero maganda tong gagawin natin. Gagawa tayo ng easy chicken galantina kasi custom yan sa mga Pilipino eh. Na maganda, meron tayong galantina o embutido para sa Pasko. Very, very Filipino and very Spanish na tradition yan. At gagawa tayo ng madaling gawin, yung kayang-kaya nyong gawin at puro pang grocery lang at puro pang nabibili lang ninyo sa palengke. So, ano mga kailangan natin? First thing na kailangan natin is some foil para hindi magdikit ang galantine natin. Konting healthy chef, canola oil. Kailangan lang nakagrease ng mabuti. Okay? Okay. Importante rito, naumpisahan na natin. Meron tayong steamer. Ito, kailangan natin ng leg and thigh fillet. Kung walang gagawa, pwedeng bumili sa supermarket ng butchered na leg and thigh fillet. I-layout natin, ilalagay natin na medyo overlapping. Yung manipis sa makapal na side, yan. I-layout lang natin ng ganito. Para hindi umbok-umbok, no? Medyo pantay, yan. Anong kailangan natin? Kailangan natin ng spices. Dalawa tayong spice rub. Ito, ginawa nilang isa, pero paghahati ko lang. Okay, we will put the white pepper. Ito, kalahati, nilagay ko doon sa ating ground chop. Chinap ng mabuti na chicken. Pwede kayong gumamit ng food processor. Okay, lalagyan natin ng paprika. Itong naka-skin side down na manok. Okay. Lagyan natin ng mustard. Punas-punas lang. We're gonna put some cloves. Okay, give it a beautiful Christmassy note. Lagyan natin ng konting thyme. Mag-iingat kayo sa sobrang daming thyme. Akala nyo, konti lang nilalagay nyo. Matapang po yan. Just be careful when you put thyme. Pag sumobra yan, maglalasang lupa. Hindi na rin magiging masarap. And we put in our black pepper. Okay, we are going to put in our accord. Konting gentle sprinkle lang dito sa karne natin. Binder yan, ginagamit po yan sa sausage making para maging maganda, antikas ng ating galantina at mga sausages. Then we will put our salt. I'm going to add a little nutmeg, a big pinch of nutmeg, and sage. Yan. Kahit na ito na lang, gawin na ninyong sausage. Panalo na to eh. Ilagay na natin ang ating spice chicken mixture. Okay, ito po ang ating hamon. There you go. O, yan. Tapos, lagyan natin ng olives. Baunan natin ng olives. And let's put in our green olives. You know what's nice with this? You can freeze this and you can make this before Christmas. You can freeze another batch and use it for New Year hanggang Valentine's. Pwede. Mag-slice tayo ng linya ng red pepper. Let's just take out the white part. Let's put that together with the black para maganda ang contrast. So there's our red pepper. You can buy a chorizo. Lay it out here. Para pag-slice natin, kitang-kita talaga. Maganda talaga. Oh, rolyo na natin. Game na to. Galantina na to. Hinihintay na tayo ng steamer natin. Okay? Nagkulang tayo ng konti ng foil. Gawin natin, extension lang natin para malaki ang ating galantin. Yan. Sagana. And yung dulo, ihigpitan natin para mag-compress at mag-compact yung ating galantin at bumilog siya. Bumilog siya parang troso, parang log. And ang ating galantina will go into this steamer. There you go. Meron na akong ginawa kanina. The best is actually to slice it with the foil and you use fast sewing motions, parang sushi. Tingnan nyo ang ganda-ganda. So, ito na po ang ating galantin. You can serve this individually or you can serve this on a family-style platter. There you go. Now, we will make our sauces. Kailangan natin ng mustard. Mayonnaise. To, maganda to. Japanese mayonnaise. And we need a little vinegar. O, simple lang. Hindi naman masyadong marami. Hindi kailangan. Let's do another sauce. Let's do trufado alla vinagreta. O ito, truffle sauce, truffle vinaigrette. We put in our salt, and then we put in our vinegar, a little white pepper, mustard, give it a nice kick, garlic, and truffle paste. Oh, beautiful mushroom aroma. So, I'm putting in some La Dolce Vita olive oil. Okay, may salt, may pepper na to. We just whisk this into a wonderful emulsion, truffle vinagreta. Parang mga panahon ni Jose Rizal, ano? Ayan. We dress up our vegetables. Put a little moisture. Napakasarap po niyan. And of course, we have to try it. We have to try it. Halo na yung lasa. Nandun na yung chorizo. Nandun na yung red pepper. Our spices. They're all there. The olives. Oh, how beautifully Christmassy. Friends, gawin niyo po to. Konting tiyaga lang dahil Pasko. But this is not only for the holidays. Try this out. This is really special. Thank you very much and until next episode, bye-bye everybody.